Every man's happiness is his own responsibility. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. I am in favor of animal rights, as well as human rights. That is the way of a whole human being. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. I care not for a man's religion, whose dog and cat are not the better for it. It's not me who can't keep a secret, it is the people I tell that can't. Elections belong to the people, it's their decision. If they decide to turn their back on the fire and burn their behinds, then they will just have to sit on their blisters. I do not think much of a man who is not wiser today than he was yesterday. All I have learned, I learned from books. It has been my experience that folks who have no vices have very few virtues. You have to do your own growing, no matter how tall your grandfather was. If this is coffee, please bring me some tea, but if this is tea, please bring me some coffee. You cannot help people permanently by doing for them what they could and should do for themselves. It is difficult to make a man miserable while he feels worthy of himself. You can tell the greatness of a man by what makes him angry. The better part of one's life consists of his friendships. I am not concerned that you have fallen, I am concerned that you arise. I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts and beer. To ease another's heartache is to forget one's own.